In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Traffic Violations Bureau tickets online. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Central Violations Bureau website at cvb.uscourts.gov. Once the site loads, look for the option labeled Online Payment for Federal Tickets and select it. This will take you to the Payment Lookup section where you can find your violation and begin the process. On the payment page, you'll need to enter the CVB location code exactly as it appears on your violation notice. This code is no more than 4 characters long. If the printed code includes spaces, dashes, or slashes, make sure to remove them before entering it. The system is looking for a clean version of the code, so entering it correctly here is important to avoid errors. Next, enter the violation number from your notice. Be sure to include any letters that appear before or within the number if your ticket includes them. Some violation notices are all numbers, while others include alphabetic characters, so it's a good idea to double check the ticket carefully and type the number exactly as shown. After that, enter the first 3 characters of the defendant's last name as it appears on the ticket. This helps the system match the citation to the correct record. Be careful to use the spelling shown on the notice, especially if there are hyphens, spaces, or unusual formatting in the name. Once those details are filled in, complete the reCAPTCHA verification. This is the standard security check used to confirm that a real person is submitting the information. After completing it successfully, click Next to move forward. From there, the site will guide you through the remaining screens. First, verify the violation information that appears to make sure it matches your ticket. Then review all the information you entered to confirm there are no typing mistakes. After that, check that the amount due is correct, and if everything looks right, click Continue. You'll then be taken to pay.gov, which is the secure payment platform used to process the transaction. Enter your payment information there and submit the payment. Once the payment has been processed, you should receive a confirmation that your payment was successful. Before closing the page, it's a smart idea to save or print the confirmation for your records. That way, you'll have proof of payment in case you need it later. As always, take your time entering each detail because even a small typo can delay the process. And that's how to pay a Traffic Violations Bureau ticket online.